market is currently experiencing mixed but overall positive movements, with a continued focus on artificial intelligence, AI, related stocks, and ongoing concerns about the U.S. government shutdown and Federal Reserve policy. Here is a summary of the latest news and trends. Major market performance, recent trading sessions. S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite have recently hit new all-time highs, largely fueled by enthusiasm around technology and AI. The Nasdaq Composite and the S&P 500 have generally been on an upward trend, often leading the market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has seen more muted movements, sometimes slightly down or flat. The Russell 2000, small-cap stocks, has also advanced, suggesting broader market participation in the rally. Key market drivers. Artificial intelligence, AI, frenzy. The AI sector continues to be the dominant theme, driving significant gains. Chipmakers and tech. Companies like Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, Dell Technologies, Dell, and NVIDIA, NVDA, have seen sharp increases, often on news of AI-related deals, partnerships, e.g. AMD with OpenAI, or strong demand for AI infrastructure. NVIDIA's deal with Elon Musk's xAI also boosted AI stocks. Federal Reserve outlook. Investor optimism is largely based on the expectation that the Federal Reserve will continue to cut interest rates to support the economy. Corporate earnings. Upcoming earnings reports from major companies like PepsiCo and Delta Airlines are highly anticipated, with analysts expecting continued year-over-year earnings growth for the S&P 500. Major headwinds and concerns. U.S. government shutdown. The ongoing government shutdown has delayed the release of key economic data, adding to economic uncertainty. The market, however, has generally looked past previous shutdowns. Market valuation. Some analysts are growing cautious, noting that stock prices have risen faster than corporate profits, placing the S&P 500 at a high valuation level comparable to the dot-com bubble era. Gold is a safe haven. The price of gold has soared, recently surpassing $4,000 per ounce, which some experts view as a, quote, red light or a sign of investor concern over political uncertainties and potential future inflation risks. Notable stock movers. Gainers, large-cap tech like Apple, Microsoft, and the aforementioned AI-related stocks have been strong performers. Delta Airlines also recently surged after reporting stronger-than-expected earnings and guidance. Losers. Some industrial and oil stocks, such as Boeing and ExxonMobil, have recently slipped. Tesla has also seen declines following news like a U.S. probe into its full self-driving system,